I tested something recently that genuinely caught me off guard. I entered one simple idea, just a short line, and within seconds, it transformed into a complete video. Not just static scenes, it had motion, rhythm, and even felt like it understood what mattered. No timeline, no preparation, no stress. That's when it clicked for me. This could seriously change how videos are created. So this is Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and right now you can use it for free inside the Dola app. The easiest way to describe it, it doesn't just process your prompt, it interprets it. I tried something super simple. I just typed apes, documentary style, English narration with subtitles. And that's it.
In the jungle, every lesson is a step towards survival. And the mother's patience is key.
From just this one line, it generates a complete documentary-style video with structured scenes, natural pacing, narration, and subtitles already in place. Another thing that stood out to me was how smooth everything moves. Not just the action itself, but even the camera feels dynamic and natural. It constantly shifts, sometimes following from behind, sometimes from the side, making the whole sequence feel active, fluid, and engaging throughout. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 can understand your idea and intelligently build out the scene. I type, a young child discovers something unusual hidden deep in the woods. But the result included uncertainty, curiosity, a quiet pause before reacting, making the scene feel more alive and believable. I've experimented with many AI tools before. Most of them feel technical. This one feels different, like you give it an idea and it builds on top of it. If you want to try it, start simply. Don't complicate things, just type a random idea and watch what it creates. That's the easiest way to understand it.